to the Luxy Hair channel. I'm Josie, and today I'm showing you 3 beautiful hairstyles to wear to a holiday party. With the holidays coming up, hair is the best accessory to make sure that your hairstyles look beautiful and classy. For today's look, I'm going to be using my Luxy hair extensions for added length and volume to ensure that these 3 hairstyles look beautiful. Let's go ahead and get started. So to begin, I'm going to be using my Luxy hair extensions as I mentioned. These are the 220 gram set in the color Dirty Blonde. They're already straightened, so I'm going to clip them into my hair, and then we're going to begin curling them. Okay guys, now that my hair extensions are all clipped in, I'm going to jump right in and start curling. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be using a 1.5 inch wand. You can use whatever size that you'd like, but I find that this just adds a really romantic feel to the curls, which will make this hairstyle perfect for the holidays and just kind of that romantic, classic look. Okay, so this is what the curls look like. As you can see, super soft and voluminous, very romantic. For this first hairstyle, we're gonna begin. And what I like to do is I'm going to leave out some bang pieces. We're actually gonna leave out quite a bit. And then we are going to begin our braid on this side. We're gonna do a Dutch braid. For those of you who don't know what that is, you're basically doing a French braid, but you're going under instead of over. You want to be very clean with your braids because we're not trying to go for like a messy, like bohemian look. We're just going for a very classic and romantic look. Once you get down to the bottom of your ear, I'm going to begin just doing a normal braid. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we're going to bring both braids around to the back side of our head. And here's the first look. Okay, so moving on to the second look, we're actually going to keep this first piece together and we're going to be adding a bun. This is going to be a little bit more formal, so this is something you might want to wear to a fancy holiday party, whatever you want to do. So it's super simple. We're just going to be gathering the remainder of our hair, and then I'm going to be taking it and twisting it. We're just going to be wrapping this around. And first I'm going to use an elastic just to secure it, and then we're going to be using some bobby pins to keep it in place. And just like that, super simple, you have the second look. Now for this last hairstyle, we're going to be doing a beautiful braid. I'm going to be using actually a really pretty embellished headband. To add to this look, you definitely don't have to do that. So to begin, I'm going to be adding this headband. And then I'm going to take it up right about here. And then I'm going to pull out some bang pieces. So now we're going to gather all the hair that isn't in front of the headband, and we're going to do a fishtail braid. Then once you get towards the bottom, you can go ahead and take a clear elastic hair tie and tie it off. And for this, I don't think we need any more pulling apart. This is basically it, and here's your completed look. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed these 3 holiday hairstyles. The Luxy hair extensions definitely added a ton to this look. It added some volume, length, and just made this overall look so much more festive for the holiday season. If you want to see more of me, you guys can follow me on Instagram at Josie_Sanders. And if you guys want to recreate any of these looks for the holiday season, be sure to tag us on Instagram at Luxy Hair. Happy holidays, guys. Bye.